quarterly, half-yearly maintenance. Lower machinery. Before performing work, read the operation and maintenance manual for operation details. Inspection items are as shown in the table. Quarterly or every 250 hours. Drive tumbler, idler wheel and upper-lower roller. Check the drive tumbler, idler wheel and upper-lower rollers for oil leak and damage. Swing bearing mounting bolt. Check the swing bearing mounting bolt for looseness and missing. Remove the upper and lower covers of the swing frame for the inner bolt checking. If the bolt is loose, remove and check it. And if it is damaged, replace it with new one. If the removed bolt is not damaged, clean and coat it with Loctite number 243 or equivalent, then securely tighten it. Half-yearly or every 500 hours. CARBODY, crawler frame. Check the CARBODY and crawler frame for crack and damage.